Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we turn everyday ingredients into extraordinary meals. Today, we're cooking up a storm in the kitchen with a recipe that's close to my heart: plant-based meatballs. These meatballs are not only delicious, but also a healthier and more sustainable option for you and your family. These aren't your average meatballs. They're packed with flavor, good for you, and kind to our planet. We use a blend of hearty vegetables, protein-rich legumes, and a mix of spices that will tantalize your taste buds. The best part? The whole family will love them. Imagine the joy on your kids' faces when they bite into these tasty treats, not even realizing they're eating something so nutritious. Whether it's a cozy spaghetti night, a fun party appetizer, or a quick meal prep solution, these plant-based meatballs fit perfectly into any occasion. They pair wonderfully with pasta, can be served as a standalone snack, or even added to a hearty sub-sandwich. These plant-based wonders are here to save the day. You can bake them for a healthier option, or simmer them in your favorite sauce for an extra burst of flavor. They're versatile, easy to make, and perfect for any meal. Get ready to discover a world of deliciousness that's good for you and the planet. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Your taste buds and the earth will thank you. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our trusty ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find and budget-friendly. You'll need 1 cup cooked lentils, drained and rinsed, 1 cup cooked brown rice, half a cup chopped mushrooms, a 1/4 cup chopped onion, 2 cloves garlic minced, a 1/4 cup rolled oats, a 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Now comes the fun part, cooking. This is where all the magic happens, and you get to transform simple ingredients into a delicious meal. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be a plant-based meatball master in no time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this guide will make the process easy and enjoyable. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial as it ensures that your meatballs cook evenly. While the oven is heating up, take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This not only prevents the meatballs from sticking, but also makes the cleanup process a breeze. In a large bowl, mash the lentils with a fork until they're mostly broken down. Lentils are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, making them a great base for our meatballs. The texture should be somewhat chunky, providing a nice bite to the final product. Next, add the cooked brown rice. Brown rice adds a wonderful nutty flavor and helps bind the mixture together. It's also packed with essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins. Now, chop up some mushrooms and onions. Mushrooms bring a savory umami flavor, while onions add a touch of sweetness and depth. Both ingredients contribute to the meatball's moist and tender texture. Don't forget the garlic, rolled oats, and nutritional yeast. Garlic adds a punch of flavor. Rolled oats help with the binding, and nutritional yeast gives a cheesy, nutty taste that's simply irresistible. For seasoning, pour in some soy sauce and measure out oregano, paprika, salt, and pepper. These spices and seasonings elevate the flavor profile, making each bite a delightful experience. Mix well to combine all the flavors. Take your time with this step to ensure that every ingredient is evenly distributed. This will make sure that each meatball is packed with flavor. Using your hands, roll the mixture into golf ball-sized meatballs. This size is perfect for cooking evenly and makes them easy to eat. If the mixture is too sticky, you can lightly wet your hands to make rolling easier. Place the meatballs on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure to space them out evenly so they have room to cook properly and get that nice golden brown color. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and heated through. Keep an eye on them as they bake to ensure they don't overcook. Once done, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade plant-based meatballs. These plant-based meatballs aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrients. Here's why they're a healthy choice for your family. Lentils. These tiny legumes are protein powerhouses and a great source of fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Brown rice. This whole grain provides energy-boosting carbohydrates and essential minerals. Mushrooms. Low in calories and fat, mushrooms are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Nutritional yeast. This cheesy flavored ingredient is a good source of vitamin B12, often lacking in vegan diets. Kind to our planet, the eco-friendly choice. In today's world, making eco-friendly choices is more important than ever. Our planet is facing numerous environmental challenges, and every small step we take can make a significant difference. One of the most impactful choices we can make is in our diet. Choosing plant-based meals like these delicious meatballs is a fantastic way to show our planet some love. Here's why. Reduced greenhouse gases. By opting for plant-based foods, we can significantly cut down on the greenhouse gases that are released into the atmosphere. These gases, such as methane and carbon dioxide, are major contributors to global warming and climate change. Meat production is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. The industrial processes involved in raising livestock, including feeding, housing, and transporting animals, release large amounts of these harmful gases. Additionally, the digestive processes of ruminant animals like cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Opting for plant-based alternatives helps reduce our carbon footprint. Water conservation. Another critical aspect of sustainability is water usage. Producing meat requires vast amounts of water. From growing feed crops to hydrating animals, the meat industry is incredibly water-intensive. In fact, it takes thousands of gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. Plant-based diets significantly reduce water consumption. By choosing plant-based foods, we can conserve this precious resource. Growing vegetables, grains, and legumes requires far less water than raising animals for meat. This means that by eating more plant-based meals, we are helping to preserve our planet's water supply. Raising livestock requires large areas of land. The demand for meat leads to deforestation and habitat destruction as forests are cleared to make way for pastures and feed crops. This not only reduces biodiversity, but also disrupts ecosystems and contributes to soil erosion. Choosing plant-based foods helps protect forests and wildlife habitats. By reducing the need for land to raise livestock, we can help preserve natural habitats and the diverse species that live within them. This, in turn, supports a healthier and more balanced ecosystem. So, the next time you plan a meal, consider the eco-friendly choice of plant-based foods. It's a simple yet powerful way to contribute to a more sustainable future for our planet. More and more people are embracing the power of plants, and for good reason. Research suggests that plant-based diets can lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. As we've seen, plant-based diets are much kinder to our planet. These versatile plant-based meatballs are ready to shine in countless dishes. Toss them with your favorite tomato sauce and spaghetti for a comforting family meal. Serve them on toothpicks with a side of marinara sauce or a creamy vegan dip for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Make a big batch and enjoy them throughout the week in salads, wraps, or grain bowls. So there you have it, folks. Plant-based meatballs that are delicious, healthy, and good for the planet. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and experience the joy of plant-based cooking. It's easier than you think, and your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the E-Green channel, the brainchild of Seed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts,